In this video, we're going to learn how to use the islower string method in Python. So the islower string method is going to return true if all of the letters in a string are lowercase. Otherwise, it's going to return false. So first, we'll create a test string. We'll have here string is equal to a string with 2 uppercase letters. So in this string, we have 2 uppercase letters, the uppercase U here and the uppercase A here. So if we call the islower method with this string, we expect the method to return false because not all of the letters in the string are lowercase. So here we'll have print, and we'll call the islower method with our string. So we'll save the program and run it, and we get false. Now if those letters were lowercase, we would expect the method to return true, because now all of the letters in the string are lowercase. If we save the program and try it out, we now get true. Now notably, the function will ignore space characters, digits, punctuation marks. It's going to ignore everything that's not a letter. So this is how we can use the islower string method in Python to check if all of the letters in a string are lowercase. Check out portfoliocourses.com, where we'll help you build a portfolio that will impress employers.